Hey everybody, in this video we're going to identify the different parts of an expression, okay? So come on over here and first grab a pen or a marker. All right, so here we have the expression 3n plus 4y plus 8, okay? So first of all, let's underline each coefficient. Remember, the coefficient is the number in front of the variable, all right? So here we have a 3 as a coefficient, and we also have a 4 as a coefficient, all right? Next part, it says circle each variable. Okay, I'm going to come over here and grab a different color. All right. So a variable, remember, is a letter which represents a number. Okay. So this n is our first variable, and also this y is our second variable. And then finally, it says place a box around each constant. Okay. So remember, a constant is just a plain old number all by itself. So over here we have the number 8. So let me grab another color. Let's go with black. And in this case, the constant would be the 8. And then finally, actually, we want to identify the number of terms. Okay. And remember, terms are broken up or divided by operation signs. So 3n is one term, 4y is another term, and the number 8 is another term. So altogether, there are 3 terms in this expression.